Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access and the exact message shown. This is how you will change system settings. Once signed in as an administrator, open Settings, then Windows Security, so you can view active notifications and policy sources. Make sure to switch off public Wi-Fi or use a wired connection to avoid remote interference while you change protection settings. Doing these prerequisites now saves time and prevents partial changes that won't stick because of permission or network restrictions. Now inspect where the monitoring flag comes from and why the system thinks it's protected. You will open Windows Security and check active providers. If a third-party AV is listed, use its console to verify its status. Next, check group policy and any MDM or work account enrollment that can enforce policies. These revoke local changes. If you must disable third-party AV to reconfigure, do it briefly and only if you have installation media or an admin account ready to restore protection immediately. Finish by restoring proper protection and confirming the notification clears. You will re-enable real-time protection in Windows Security or reconfigure the third-party AV to register with the OS. If a work or MDM policy must be removed, make sure you're authorized, disconnect the account, then reboot to apply settings. If the message remains, run SFC and DISM from an elevated PowerShell to repair system components. This fixes corrupted system files that can keep old status messages stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.